Welcome back to Truck Spotting Great Lakes. We are going eastbound. We're in Michigan. We're going eastbound on Interstate 69. And Lansing, Michigan's behind us. So we're just putzing along, doing our thing. You know what I mean? Trying to get to that Montreal, like 620 miles away from it. So started my day 35 minutes ago. I figure I'm going to be probably 2 hours or a little less than 2 hours away from the border. Still got to stop at the Loves, get some fuel, top off my tanks, get my ACE manifest ready to go, get across that border. And then it's homeward bound. Well, actually not really. It's not getting anywhere near home until probably tomorrow night or Saturday morning, which is fine. You know. Oh, hope everybody's day is going well. Hope you guys got to where you had to be safely. No breakdowns, no nothing. Pretty much, I hope you guys had a fantastic day. I don't know how long you guys have been out here doing this, but I've been out here doing this for 25 years. Well, October will be 25 years. And I'm still putzing along, still doing my thing. Now that the bumps kind of settled down a little bit, I might be able to get a drink of coffee without wearing it. I would like to drink it, not wear it. Oh, I'm gonna wait right for here. Oh yeah, this is like butter compared to back there. Oh my god, I actually had a drink of coffee and it wasn't down my lip, down my shirt. Nice. Hey, remember hit that like and subscribe button, maybe even that bell to notify that there's another something else has popped up. We got a lot of things going on in this channel. We got truck spotting, we got truck shows and truck stops. We got ride-alongs that you're currently watching right now. We got all kinds of things to try to keep things going, and we have merch. We have clothing. We have sweaters, t-shirts, tank tops, coats, leather coats too. We got all kinds of things. We got gym bags, we got coffee mugs, we even got stickers with the new logo. You guys must have seen the new logo if you guys have already subscribed a long time ago, and 8,000 of you guys have already. Then you must have seen the new logo. We got a couple of new logos, so you tell us down below which logo you like the best. And we'll have something up there so you guys can vote on what you like and everything else. So check it out. Let us know which logo you guys like the best. The round one or the other one. I'm not going to tell you which one I like, but let us know which logo you guys like out of the two. Anyways, so this is Michigan, and if you guys have been a truck driver for a long time, you've been up in Michigan, then you're not surprised. Not bad. I was in Iowa get into Canada, then it's not 14 days back, or 12 days back, or 7 days back, it's 14 days back. So then I start to get my hours back then too. So once I get across that border, I get 2 more hours of running time, and I'll get more hours, not just 20 hours. I'll probably get, I don't know, 27 hours to run. We do have different hours. We have different rules for logbooks. So the Americans get 11 hours worth of driving and 14 hours on duty driving time. You have to take your half-hour break after 8 hours, or between your first 8 hours, you must take a half-hour break, and then you resume and go down the road. And in Canada, okay, let's go back to the States for a second. So in the States, we're allowed to carry up to 80,000 pounds with our permit. And, but now in Canada, we can drive 13 hours instead of 11. We can work up to 16 hours instead of 14 hours. We don't have to take the half hour, but it does, we do have to take a half hour somewhere, but it's not required in the first 8 hours. But we still have to do something, because I end up getting in violation, all the time for stupid things again. So, and then we get to carry more weight. And yes, we drive in the snow, and we're allowed to carry more weight. And we get to drive longer. So, I think it's 83, or I'm not exactly sure how much weight we can carry differently than the Americans, but I know we can carry more weight. I think it's 83 or 87,000 pounds we can carry. I don't know. I always go by pound. That's easy. So, but we also, in the States, you have to take a 10-hour break. In Canada, you don't have to take a 10-hour break. You take an 8-hour break. So I kind of like to change. I like to put 2 different, the Americans' logbook and the Canadian logbook together. I would like to have it where you can drive 13 hours a day. You have to take a 10-hour break, because I don't know about you guys, I like to sleep. And you get to carry more weight. If you can do something like that, still do the half hour, after 8 hours or whatever, still do that kind of thing, but merge both of them together. That makes it much easier. Well, not much easier, but I think it'd be pretty cool if you merged the United States rules and the Canadian rules together, right? Have everybody on the same rules would be a nice thing. Because right now you're driving down the highway, and if you're in Canada, if you're going to be going into the United States that same day, you have to take a 10-hour break, because once you get into the United States, you're in violation if you only take an 8-hour break. And if you're driving down the highway and you're in Canada and you're running you're on your 12th hour or 11 and a half hours, and you want to get across that border, you can, but as soon as you get across that border, you're in violation, because now you passed your 11 hours worth of driving. Even though in Canada you can drive 13. So, I don't know. Give us a heads up which comment down below. Because right now, us Canadians are looking much better than you Americans. Not saying anything bad, but we get to drive a little bit more hours. We don't have to take a 10-hour break if we don't want to. And we get to carry more weight. And we are driving in the snow and all that fun stuff. You can't escape snow in Canada. You know, see, in the wintertime, you can escape the snow in the States. You just go down south. But in the wintertime in Canada, you can't escape that snow. It's there, it's everywhere. Alright, like I said, and a couple other videos of mine. Once I retire, we're heading south. We're going to be the snowbirds. We're heading south for the wintertime. We're going back up into Canada in summertime. I do not want to see this white stuff anymore, unless it's white sandy beaches. Or unless I see it on TV. Once I retire, in about 12 years, or if I win the lottery, which, so pretty much in 12 years when I retire, I don't want to see any more of this white